Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. The rise of milk tea, a guide to its history, flavors and global craze. Milk tea has taken the world by storm, blending tradition with modern appeal. What started as a simple mix of tea and milk has turned into a global phenomenon, with endless variations from bubble tea to Thai iced tea. It's not just a drink, it's a cultural staple, connecting people through shared flavors and experiences. From street vendors in Taiwan to trendy cafes in New York, milk tea has evolved into a booming industry. Whether you prefer it sweet, creamy, or loaded with toppings, there's a version for every taste. This video explores how it became a worldwide obsession and what makes it so irresistible. The origins of milk tea. Milk tea didn't just appear overnight, it's a drink shaped by centuries of tradition and creativity. Different cultures took tea and milk, mixed them with local flavors, and turned them into something entirely their own. From British tea rooms to Taiwanese night markets, each version tells a story. Taiwanese bubble tea revolution. In the 1980s, Taiwan turned milk tea into a worldwide sensation. A simple tea stand in Taichung changed the game by adding chewy tapioca pearls, creating what we now call bubble tea. It wasn't just a drink. It was an experience. The fun of sipping through a wide straw and chewing the boba made it an instant hit. Taiwan's milk tea culture kept evolving with bold flavors, taro, matcha, brown sugar, and endless toppings like pudding, grass jelly, and even cheese foam. Street vendors and big chains alike pushed boundaries, making it a staple for tea lovers everywhere. British influence on milk tea. Long before bubble tea, the British were mixing tea and milk, but with a very different approach. Their version, black tea with milk and sugar, was all about comfort. Think cozy afternoons with warmed cups, often paired with scones or biscuits. The British tradition spread globally through colonization, especially in places like India and Hong Kong. Their style was simple but left a lasting mark, proving that sometimes, the best ideas are the most straightforward. Hong Kong's Pantyhose milk tea. Hong Kong added its own twist with Pantyhose milk tea, named for the fine strainers that look like stockings. This tea is strong, silkier, and brewed for longer for a deeper flavor. Sweetened with evaporated or condensed milk, it's richer than standard milk tea. You'll find it in local cafes, cha canteens, where it's served hot or icy cold. It's a testament to how a simple drink can reflect a city's hustle, bold, smooth, and always full of character. Each of these styles proves that milk tea is more than just a drink. It's history in a cup, shaped by the people who loved it enough to make it their own. Types of milk tea and their unique flavors. Milk tea isn't a one-size-fits-all drink. Over the years, it has branched into countless styles, each with its own personality. Some keep it simple with tea and cream, while others blend in fruits, spices, or even cheese. Here's a breakdown of the most popular types and what sets them apart. Classic milk tea and its variations. The original milk tea is all about balance, strong brewed tea mellowed by creamy milk or sweetener. But even within this category, there are standout versions. Black milk tea. A robust base of black tea, like Assam or Ceylon, mixed with milk and sugar. It's smooth, rich, and the backbone of most bubble tea shops. Honey milk tea. Sweetened with honey instead of sugar, giving it a floral, caramel-like depth. Okinawa milk tea. Uses kokuto sugar, a Japanese brown sugar with a deep molasses flavor, for a toasty, almost caramelized taste. The beauty of classic milk tea. It's versatile. Swap in different teas, Earl Grey for a citrusy twist, or jasmine for a floral note, and you've got a whole new experience. Fruit-infused milk teas. For those who crave brightness in their cup, fruit-infused milk teas deliver a refreshing punch. These blends often use real fruit purees, syrups, or even fresh slices. Strawberry milk tea. Sweet and slightly tart, with ripe strawberry flavor cutting through the creaminess. Mango milk tea. Tropical and lush, often paired with coconut milk for extra richness. Lychee milk tea. Delicate and floral, with a subtle sweetness that doesn't overpower. Pro tip: fruit milk teas work best iced. The chill highlights the fruit's vibrancy and keeps the drink from feeling too heavy. Specialty milk teas, matcha, Thai, etc. Some milk teas break the mold entirely, drawing from regional traditions or unique ingredients. Matcha milk tea. Earthy, slightly bitter matcha green tea powder whisked with milk. It's creamy yet energizing, with a vibrant green hue. Thai milk tea. Bright orange from strong brewed Ceylon tea and spiced with star anise or cardamom. Sweetened condensed milk makes it luxuriously thick. Hojicha milk tea. Roasted green tea gives a nutty, toasty flavor, less bitter than matcha but just as cozy. These specialty drinks often steal the spotlight. Thai milk tea, for instance, is as much about the bold color as it is about the spiced aroma. Meanwhile, matcha lovers swear by its balanced bitterness. No matter which type you choose, milk tea's magic lies in its adaptability. It can be as simple or as adventurous as you want. One sip can feel familiar, the next completely new. How milk tea became a global phenomenon. Milk tea didn't just spread, it exploded. 1 minute it was a niche treat. The next, it was everywhere. Social media turned it into eye candy, big chains made it accessible, and suddenly, sipping boba felt as normal as grabbing coffee. Here's how it took over. The role of social media and viral trends. FOMO meets milk tea. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok turned bubble tea into a visual trend, those glossy pearls, layered colors, and oversized cups practically beg for a photo. Aesthetic mattered as much as taste. Key moments that boosted the craze. #Boba trends. Clips of boba being made, stretchy, squishy, satisfying, raked in millions of views. DIY hacks. Home recipes for dalgona coffee shifted to whipped matcha boba overnight. Celebrity endorsements. Stars like Kylie Jenner posting their giant milk tea orders made it aspirational. Stats back it up. Searches for bubble tea on Google tripled in the last decade. Trends spiked every summer, with fans sharing their orders like badges of honor. That's it for part 1. We've covered the origins and basics, but there's so much more to explore. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll dive deeper into the different flavors, trends, and how milk tea is taking over the globe. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.